Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install GraalVM 22.3 Community Edition on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 operating system. So this is my Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.7 virtual machine. So I am connected to the internet. Okay. So we need internet connection in order to download GraalVM components. So see here, I am connected to the internet. So let me go to browser and check for the internet connection. Yes, okay, I am connected to the internet. Okay. Next, I am opening the terminal. So I am going to show you something. Okay, so we need some RPM packages should be available by default. Okay, so these are the RPM packages should be available before running some commands. Okay, before running some GraalVM commands, we need these packages to be installed. Okay, glibc, gcc and zlib packages I already installed from Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 DVD ISO file. So all these packages are available in DVD file itself. So these packages are used by GraalVM component called native image. Okay, so this native image component only will convert the class file to native executable file. Okay, now coming to the point. So here you can see that I have already downloaded a GraalVM Community Edition 22.3 along with OpenJDK 17. And these jar files are the components. Okay, these jar files can be installed locally without internet connection. So first I am going to show you how to extract and install GraalVM Community Edition 22.3. So I am extracting the tar.gzip file to /opt directory. Okay, extraction completed. So I am renaming the directory for my convenience. So also you can see parallelly multiple versions of GraalVM also got installed. So you can install multiple version of GraalVM in same machine just by enabling or disabling in the profile settings. Okay, so this is the directory structure of GraalVM Community Edition 22.3. So it's a bin directory. It's having some commands. Jmods directory contains GraalVM modules. So these are the GraalVM modules added with the JDK modules, and languages directory. So basically these languages are available. Lib directory. So lib directory contains some library files and .so files. Tools directory. So tool directory contains some other tools for development. Okay. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to create one environment variable pointing to GraalVM Community Edition 22.3. Okay, let me edit the bash profile. So I am going to create one environment variable java_home pointing to GraalVM 22.3 Community Edition. Okay, next I am going to append the java_home bin directory to the Linux path variable. Export path equal to $path : java_home/bin. Okay, make sure that syntax is correct. Okay, check any typo errors there or not. Save the file. That's it. Now go to terminal. So I am going to execute the command source.bash_profile. So this command will reload the profile settings. Okay, Java-version. Yes, so basic setup of GraalVM Community Edition 22.3 is done. So GraalVM 22.3.1 is available with OpenJDK 17. Okay, now I am going to show the GraalVM commands. So first command is gu list. So gu list command will list down the components available in your machine. So GraalVM core is the component, core components are already installed. So gu available. So gu available is the command will list down all the components available in the internet for download and install. Okay, so these are the components available for download, and we can install these components by running the gu install command. Okay, so now let me run the gu install command. Gu install JS. So this will download the JS component and install the JS component. So I am installing other components also. Gu install LLVM. So this will install LLVM runtime core. Gu install LLVM toolchain. This will install LLVM toolchain. Gu install nodeJS. Gu install native image. So this native image component is a very important one. So this native image component only will convert the Java class file to the natively executable file. So all the basic components are installed. So gu list will give you the list of components installed in my machine. Other than this, lot of components are there. Okay, Python or Ruby. Okay, so other components are also there. Okay, if you got time, you can practice that. Okay, now what I'm revisiting the GraalVM's bin directory. Okay, you can see that new commands are installed. Okay, after installing the component, we can see that new components like npm, npx, native image, those commands are installed. And also languages directory also you can see that JS, nodeJS, LLVM. So those things are got installed. Okay. Next I am going to show you lib directory. So lib directory also you can see that many .so, many library files are got installed. So which means that after installing any component, bin directory, languages directory, lib directory will get affected. Okay, so you can check bin directory for the commands. Okay, GraalVM commands. Okay, now I am going to show you how to remove the components. Okay, gu remove JS. So gu remove JS command failed because nodeJS component requires this JS component as a dependency. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to run this command like this: gu remove -d JS. So this command, what it will do, it will remove the dependent files also. Okay, you can see that both nodeJS also will get uninstalled and JS component also will get uninstalled. Okay, gu list once again, you can see that JS and nodeJS both are uninstalled at a time. Okay, now I am going to remove other components also one by one using gu remove command. Gu remove LLVM, gu remove LLVM toolchain, gu remove native image. Okay, you can see that rest of the components are uninstalled. So this is the way we need to uninstall the component. Okay, now I am going to show you how to install the components locally from a jar file. So before I show you how to install from internet, now I am going to show you how to install the component from the jar files. So these are the jar files I have downloaded. Okay, so these jar files are nothing but they are the components. Okay, let me go to the terminal. Okay, gu install -l. L means local. So g install -l, now pointing to the jar file path. So first I am installing JS component. Next I am installing LLVM runtime. Next I am going to install LLVM toolchain. Next I am going to install native image. Next I am going to install nodeJS. Next I am going to install visualVM. So these are the basic components. Okay, so these are the basic components for use for development. Okay, gu list command. Okay, so once again I have installed all these components back. Okay, so this is the way we need to install components locally from a jar file. Okay, so now next up what I am going to do, I am going to show you info command, gu info command. So gu info component name. So gu info js is a component name. gu info js means it will display the information about the JS component. gu info python, gu info r means it will display the details about the respective components. So make use of the gu info command if you don't know the details about the component. Okay. Now next what I am going to do, I am going to compile one Java program. So this is a Java program, standalone Java program. I am going to compile this Java program using GraalVM 22.3 Community Edition. So I am compiling the Java program, and you can see a class file is got created. Now what I am going to do, I am going to convert this class file to a native executable file. So by using this native image command. So this is the command, native -image -cp dot hello world. So -cp means class path, dot means current directory. Okay, it's pointing to current directory. So I am executing the command. You can see that native executable file is getting generated. So this command will be using the C compiler. Okay, native GCC compiler to generate the executable file. Okay, file is got generated. So also you can see that in message, see here all Java packages like java.util, java.lang are added to the hello world executable file. Okay, see, this is the hello world executable file. Now let me run that /hello world. Yes, I can able to run the Java program through the executable file. Okay, so now what I am going to do, I am going to show you how to run the C program. So here you can see that there is one C program in directory. So before running that, I am going to show you something, LLI print toolchain path. So this command will give you the path where the LLVM toolchain path toolchain is available. Okay, so let me show you visually. Go to languages directory, LLVM native bin directory. So these are the executables. So these are nothing but C++ compiler. Okay, clang, all these are LLVM based compiler. Okay, so I am going to copy this path. So I am copying this path. Go to bash profile, and I am going to append this path to the Linux path variable, so that clang and clang++ commands will be available in the path, and we can execute the C and C++ program. Okay, save the bash profile. So come back to the terminal. So once again I am going to run the source command. Which will reload the bash profile settings. Yes. So now what I am going to do, I am going to show the C program. This is a C program which will display the welcome message. Okay, I have saved the file. So this is the command to run the. This is the command to compile the C file and convert to executable one. clang hello-world.c-o hello world. See here, one executable file is got created. Now let me run that executable file. LLI hello world. That's it. You can see that executable file is executed successfully, and you can see the welcome message is got displayed. So this LLI command will automatically link the C compilers. Okay, next I am going to show you how to compile and run C++ program. So same step only I am going to follow for C++ program also. Okay, same like C. Okay, so this program will display the hello world message. Okay, so this is the command clang++ hello world.cpp -o hello world. That's it. So now you can see that hello world executable file is got created. LLI hello world. That's it. So LLI hello world will display the welcome message. So this is the way we can run the C++ program using clang++ tool. Okay. So we have learned how to compile and run C and C++ programs using clang and clang++ compiler. Now I am going to show you how to run the nodeJS program, that is JavaScript program. So app.js is the simple web server. That is, this program contains the logic of simple web server that displays the welcome message in the browser, and it will be timed out in 20 seconds. Okay, what I am doing, I am checking the node version. Node -- version will give you the node version. So node version 16.18 is available currently with this GraalVM 22.3. So I am installing the node packages, that is node modules. npm install angispan and colors. So these angispan colors are used by this app.js program. Okay, now let me run the app.js, node app.js. Okay, let me copy the link, put it in the browser. Yes, done. You can see that welcome message is got displayed in the browser, and this program also will be timed out now. Yes. So finally we have run the nodeJS program also. in GraalVM 22.3 Community Edition. So finally, GraalVM 22.3 Community Edition installation on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 is successful. Make sure that you have installed all the dependencies in order to run the native image commands.